Weight loss tips. In this video, we provide 10 tips for weight control. People can lose weight and maintain this loss by taking several achievable steps. These include the following. 1. Eat varied, colorful, nutritionally dense foods. Healthful meals and snacks should form the foundation of the human diet. A simple way to create a meal plan is to make sure that each meal consists of 50% fruit and vegetables, 25% whole grains, and 25% protein. Total fiber intake should be 25 to 30 grams, daily. Eliminate trans fats from the diet, and minimize the intake of saturated fats, which has a strong link with the incidence of coronary heart disease. Instead, people can consume monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFA, or polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFA, which are types of unsaturated fat. The following foods are healthful and often rich in nutrients. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Whole grains, such as brown rice and oatmeal. Foods to avoid eating include foods with added oils, butter, and sugar. Fatty red or processed meats. Baked goods. White bread. Processed foods. 2. Keep a food and weight diary. Self-monitoring is a critical factor in successfully losing weight. People can use a paper diary, mobile app, or dedicated website to record every item of food that they consume each day. They can also measure their progress by recording their weight on a weekly basis. Those who can track their success in small increments and identify physical changes are much more likely to stick to a weight loss regimen. People can also keep track of their body mass index, BMI, using a BMI calculator. 3. Engage in regular physical activity and exercise. Regular exercise is vital for both physical and mental health. Increasing the frequency of physical activity in a disciplined and purposeful way is often crucial for successful weight loss. 1 hour of moderate intensity activity per day, such as brisk walking, is ideal. People who are not usually physically active should slowly increase the amount of exercise that they do and gradually increase its intensity. 4. Stimulus and cue control. Many social and environmental cues might encourage unnecessary eating. For example, some people are more likely to overeat while watching television. Others have trouble passing a bowl of candy to someone else without taking a piece. By being aware of what may trigger the desire to snack on empty calories, people can think of ways to adjust their routine to limit these triggers. 5. Plan ahead. Stocking a kitchen with diet-friendly foods and creating structured meal plans will result in more significant weight loss. People looking to lose weight or keep it off should clear their kitchen of processed or junk foods and ensure that they have the ingredients on hand to make simple, healthful meals. Doing this can prevent quick, unplanned, and careless eating. 6. Eat mindfully. Many people benefit from mindful eating, which involves being fully aware of why,